you're part of an outdoor maintenance team that continually faces the clearing of brush, a four-wheel drive Brush Rover should be an essential piece of machinery in your shop. From properties full of thick, overgrown grass or fields of saplings and invasive species, the Orec four-wheel drive Brush Rover is built to overcome the challenges that come with clearing the toughest of brush situations. Armed with two tough flail blades on each end of a spinning blade stay, the four-wheel drive Brush Rover mows at a width of 38.3 inches. The cutting height is adjustable for brush mowing as low as 3 inches to as high as 6 inches. Powered by a 21 horsepower commercial grade engine and its variable speed hydrostatic transmission system, this four-wheel drive riding brush mower and its large agricultural tires helps the machine mow slopes up to 20 degrees. This riding brush mower is equipped with a smart, on-demand four-wheel drive system that automatically sends fluid to the front wheels when it senses more power is needed. If an operator wants added traction for mowing on a steeper slope or to power up and over a group of saplings, there is a differential lock that can be engaged, which locks both rear wheels to work in tandem. Properties come in all shapes, sizes, and type of terrain. This four-wheel drive riding brush mower gives outdoor teams the capability to efficiently mow brush on slopes, mow brush around obstacles, mow brush through narrow areas, and mow brush across a variety of uneven terrain. The four-wheel drive Brush Rover might be tough on brush, but it sure makes cutting brush a fun task for landscaping teams, construction contractors, facility maintenance crews, parks departments, and large property owners.